Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a voucher in Zoho Books. Creating a voucher helps us accurately record payments, receipts, and other financial transactions, so our accounting records stay organized and reliable. Let's get started. Under Purchases, we click Expenses. Here, we see the records for our payments, receipts, and other financial transactions. To create a new record, we click New, or we can click this, then click here. This gives us options to create expenses, vendors, customers, inventories, and users. Now, to continue, let's go back to the form. We just need to fill it out. For example, we enter the goods amount and put this. These are just example inputs, so we can use sample data like vendor, insurance number, notes, and payment details. After we fill in all the fields, we just need to click Save. Now, the voucher is recorded. Remember to always double-check the accounts, amounts, and references before saving to keep our books accurate and balanced.